Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Hyundai Imax active, stock reference number 5473. The shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the third month 2021. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Nothing on the left hand side has survived the accident. Has a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear sliding door has light hail and multiple small dents. Right front door also multiple dents, light hail. Right guard, one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear stick, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.